the sun goes down like a lightning.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good and staying safe and staying home, and I hope you have checked my previous video as well. If not, I will link it in the description. It's all about foundation, that how you can find your shade and all that stuff. But coming back to this video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I will say this beginners colorful makeup tutorial because it doesn't include any kind of cut crease, any sort of heavy makeup terms. So yes, I thought of creating like a good colorful look because so many of you wanted to play with colors as well, but you're a beginner and you don't know how to do every step. So I was like, let's create a good colorful eye which looks super pleasing, and this literally looks like I have put in a lot of efforts in this look, but I have not, that you will see in the tutorial. So yeah, if you want to know that how I created these blue, pink, purple, I wanted to include every color possible in the color scheme. So yes, I loved it how this look turned out. So yes, if you want to know that how I created this eye look, the whole makeup, then please keep on watching. Okay, so let's get started with the priming our lids with this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. I really like it. Like for colorful looks, I will suggest you to use a little white kind of base because it really helps in popping up the colors. So yes, I am just locking the primer with the loose powder. You can take your compact powders as well. The most important thing to colorful makeup tutorial, always build transition. The mistake most of the people do is directly putting the color onto their crease, but first put transition shade, then colorful shade. So yes, taking this pink shade, like hot pink, I will mention all the shades in the description, and then I will be blending it with the clean blending brush. Now taking up this blue sparkly shade, glitter shade I would say, and just popping it all over my lid. I usually don't do that, but I did it like first or second time, but I loved it, like how amazing it looked. Now just blending that into my crease, and now I will do the another eye and put on falsies I mean off camera. Then just priming my face with this milk base primer and this Smashbox primerizer to just have that smooth glowing base. So priming is the key to flawless base, girls. Very important. Now I will be taking up this L'Oreal True Match foundation and will be applying it all over my face, and I will be blending this with the help of a beauty blender because I love the way, but I've been really loving blending it with a brush as well, but yes, today I'm blending it with a beauty blender and just blending it into my skin really nicely. Very important. Now just taking up the concealer from Wet n Wild and will be applying it to the usual areas underneath my eye, bridge of my nose, forehead, chin, and all that jazz. And now I will be blending it. Sorry for the bad lighting, girls, I'm so sorry. My camera's battery died, I had to switch to my phone. So yes, the lighting is a little whitish over here, and just setting it with the loose powder. It's fit me, though everything will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't worry about that. Now taking this Natio contour kit, taking up the lighter shade and bronzing up my face really nicely. I will be skipping blush today because I was not feeling like. So yes, bronzing up all the areas that I like to. Then after that I will move on to the highlighter from the same palette and will be popping on to my usual areas, onto my cheekbone, nose, above my eyebrows, cupid's bow, chin, and all that stuff. Now taking this Sivanna Colors Brow Pencil, and I will be filling up my brows, not really harshly I would say. I will be just filling up the gaps. So yes, doing that. And after that I will work on my lower lash line. So I will be taking up this purple matte shade and I will be just tight lining, or I would say I'm just smudging it onto my waterline. Now taking this purple sparkly shade and will be putting it into my inner corners. for lipstick, taking this gloss. It's from Glitterberrycosmetics in the shade Donut. And now taking this LA Colors, what? Setting spray, and voila, done! So yeah, that's that for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this colorful makeup tutorial. And I'm so sorry for different lighting as my camera's battery died as usual, and I don't know what's happening with my camera. My camera is ditching me a lot these days. I think it's time to change my camera, but yeah, it was like so my mood also gets when I am filming and it dies and I keep on charging it. It's just so irritating, so I switched on to my phone to complete the tutorial. Obviously I had no option, so yes, I'm so sorry for little lighting difference. I know it's a little unprofessional, but I had to complete the tutorial and I cannot just let it go for the sake of this shitty camera. So yes, that's that for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please let me know in the comment section below. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, very important. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye. Mwah.